Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to hide your friends on Facebook. I'm going to show you this on the desktop, but also on the mobile device as well. So let's get right into it. So here we have Facebook. This is the website on the desktop. And the first thing we want to do is want to navigate over to the top right hand corner where you have your avatar. You give that a click and you can go down to where it says settings and privacy. Give that a click and then click on settings at the top there. That's going to load up all your Facebook settings. And what we want to do on the far left hand side is we want to scroll down until we find a section that is called Audience and Visibility. From here you've got lots of different options, but we want to focus on how people find and contact you. If you give that a click, it's going to open up all these settings right here. At the very top is your friends. This is the section that we're going to focus on today's video. Okay, so you can see who can send you friend requests. So I've got friends of friends for me, and then you've got who can see your friends list, and this is currently down locked to myself and myself only, but these are the options that you can see. You've got public, which is what yours might look like right now, which means that anyone on or off Facebook can see your friends list, which might not be ideal, right? We definitely don't want all that information public. Your friends might not want you to have their information public as well, right? So you have to take that into consideration. Then you have friends on Facebook. Your friends can see if they're on your list or not. Then you've got friends accept. This is actually a pretty neat one. This allows you to basically show it to all your friends, but then actually remove specific people. That's pretty handy. And then you've got specific friends, so only show it to a handful of your friends if you want. Everyone else will be not be able to see your friends list. Only me, which is the most stringent. Basically, only you are allowed to see your friends list. Even your friends cannot see if they are on or are not on the list. Then you've got custom. Custom is really quite useful. This allows you to include or exclude friends and lists. And then you've got custom lists down at the bottom here, so I've got that as close friends, for example. Okay, so these are the options that you've got. From a desktop, it's a little bit easier than it is from a mobile device, but if you want to completely prevent anyone from seeing your Facebook friends, then you want to select only me, only yourself, your account can see your friends list. If, however, you want to allow everybody, all of your friends, but maybe 2 or 3 of them, then you want to basically use this one here, which is friends accept. So basically all your friends minus the handful that you don't want to see, or them to see your friends list, which should be helpful if you're up to all sorts of different things. I'll leave you guys to speculate that in the comments down below. But one of the ones that I find the most useful and it allows you the most amount of flexibility is the custom setting down here. This will let you include or exclude friends and lists, so you can create specific lists for people that you don't want to show things to, for example, and then have that as kind of one of your filters and your filter criterias. So once you're happy with all that, you just click done. So only me, I'm going to click done, and now your friends list on Facebook is locked down just to yourself. So what we'll do now is we'll go ahead and jump down into the mobile device and show you what it looks like from the application on your phone. Okay, so here we have the Facebook application opened on my iPhone, and the first thing that we want to do in order to be able to lock down our friends list is of course go down to the bottom right hand corner where we have the menu option. If we give that a click, it's going to open up this page, and at the top right we have a little cog. We're going to go ahead and click the cog icon there. That's going to open up all your settings and privacy. You're going to scroll down until we find that same setting once again, which is the section for audience and visibility, and then it's a second option there, which is how people can find and contact you, right? Give that a click, and then of course here you have the friends section at the top. This is the part that we're focusing in on this particular video. From here you can see that you can say the second option is who can see your friends list. Give that a click, and these are the settings that you have on your mobile device. So you've got public, so anyone on or off Facebook can of course see your friends list, which is not ideal by any stretch of the imagination. Nobody should have this one on, in my opinion. Then you've got friends, which is basically your friends. They can see if they're on the list, right? Fantastic. Then you've got friends accept. This is the one that lets you basically select only or select everybody and then minus the people that you don't want to see. So if you've got like 3 or 4 people within your friends list that you just don't want to see who you're friends with, then of course you can just remove them from being able to see. So that's great. And then you've got specific friends. So if you've got a handful of people that you don't mind sharing that kind of information with, well, in which case you can do that by selecting just those friends. Everyone else won't be able to see. And then you've got the one that I have, which is of course the only me section. So only I can see who's on my friends list. Everyone else cannot see it. And then you've got the close friends, which is a custom list that I created. So one of the things that is missing here from the mobile application that is not that it is available on the website or the desktop version is the custom ability, the ability to basically remove or add certain types of friends and customize who can actually see your friends list. So you do lose that functionality from the mobile application, but if you don't need that level of kind of custom functions within this kind of particular area of Facebook, well, then it doesn't matter. You can still do this from your mobile application. Personally, I like to be able to customize things to that degree, so I do use a laptop or a desktop computer to be able to log into Facebook and make those changes if I wanted to. But for the purpose of kind of this video, you don't have to if you want to lock this down and become really stringent and only you can see it. Once you're happy with your selections here, you can go ahead and click save, and that is going to be applied to your Facebook profile. And so guys, it is as easy as that to lock down your friends list in Facebook. If you did find this helpful in any way, make sure to smash that like button. Really appreciate that. It helps the channel out massively. And if you want to stay up to date with more hints and tips on various pieces of software, make sure to subscribe and you won't miss another beat. Guys, if you haven't done so, check that video out there as well. It's probably one you don't want to miss.